Let's normalize the linear algebra hit for data science students. Fun pop, 110 BPM. We study math, we feel the spark. With vector tools, we make our mark. We learn algebra, what a ride. Data is waiting, let's not hide.
We sing of functions, norms, and more. We wanna know what math is for.
We're data people, we see the light.
Let's learn it all, we'll do it right. A linear function plays it cool, follows the add and scale rule. You double the input, it doubles too. That's a line clean, straight, and true.
You wanna know how big you are? Square each part, you'll go far. Add them up and take the root.
Now you've got your vector suit. Let's normalize and linearize, angle sharp and data wise, dotted, plotted, cosine, sine, math and meaning now align. Let's normalize and fly so high, from dirty data to clear blue sky. With every step we see the way, data science leads the day.
Angle between vectors. Two vectors standing in the space. Wanna see if they embrace. Dot them first, divide by norm. Our cos gives the angles form.
If the angle's small, they're best friends. If it's wide, connection ends. Orthogonal, they just ignore. 90 degrees, math folklore.
Normalize that. Got some features up and down. Don't let one just wear the crown. Subtract the mean, divide by spread. Now your model's happy fed.
Standard scores for every part, fair and clean, a balanced start. From messy raw to shining bright, now your data's feeling right.
Let's normalize and linearize, angle sharp and data wise, dotted, plotted, cosine, sine, math and meaning now align.
Let's normalize and fly so high, from dirty data to clear blue sky. With every step we see the way,
Data science leads the day. Why we do it? Let's be clear. No feature gets a shout. Too near, same scale, same weight. It makes us wise. Our models learn without disguise.
from Cowan to PCA, from SPM to your resume. Normalized data wins the race, with balance, calm, and perfect grace.
Let's normalize and linearize, angle sharp and data wise, dotted, plotted, cosine, sine, math and meaning now align. Let's normalize and fly so high, from dirty data to clear blue sky. With every step we see the way, data science leads the day. From vector norms to cosine dreams, from mean to clean, we ride the streams. Linear truth, no need to guess. We're data learners, nothing less.